Here in this demo, today I will show you how we can use Agentforce to generate PDF documents from the template that we have already designed in ZeroExport Document Builder. Instead of manually creating documents, we can simply prompt to agent and agent will take care of entire process for us. If we want to generate a PDF using ZeroExport document, let's say for most recent record of certain object, we first need to manually find that record, select it and then generate the PDF. This process takes time and it's manual. Here you can see I have created one template which have certain merge field and certain details. We can go to the agent builder page, simply prompt to the agent. So it will process in the backend and will generate the PDF for us, will return the link. Here we can see agent have created the PDF and given us the link. This is how we can use the Agentforce capabilities. Thank you.